What is up, boys? We're back with another fucking video. Market opens in a minute. If we come here with lots of highs to the upside, lots of highs. These highs we already took. These high here, and by already took, I mean ES already swept them, but we still have a bunch of highs to grab. Obviously the higher time frame trend is bullish. Although we are entered in 5-minute bearish order flow, what I'd like to see is some of these lows get taken out, because we do have a lot of stacked lows to the downside. We have an hourly low here and then all of these, but obviously I'm going to look for a rotation higher because the higher time frame is just bullish, so I wouldn't be looking to trade deeper against a bullish trend, but like this trend isn't super strong, so we just have to really wait and see. But obviously if we get a reaction off this hourly low here, London lows, make an SMT or something, and want to rotate higher, that's long city. However, if we like take some of these highs and then want to rotate lower, fine by me, I'll take shorts. So it really doesn't, it's really like an in-between bias right now, but like it'll be obvious what we want to do, I think. As the price doesn't want to switch order flow after taking the lows, which we're about to. Okay, we took a London low. And refilled the 30 minutes. So we'll see if we want to rotate higher from here. If we do, bullish shitty. We have a fiver right here. 5-minute gap. This week I'll pass in my account, mark my words.
What's your sneezing all about? What? Do you need Kleenex? It'll be hot today. Make sure you drink.
Alright. So obviously we're getting that rotation higher. Dude, I wonder if this is a patty swing here. Yeah, like low-key was, like this would be a fucking patty entry right here. Patty swing. Right off rip though, that would be fucking crazy to take that shit. I hear your heartbeat to the beat of the drums. Oh, what a shame that you can. So in the position we're currently in, we just swept out these highs. We still have another set, but not too far away. This could flip into high resistance liquidity because we just swept it out. We'll just have to see what market shows me. It's super early. Yeah. Like, obviously I want these highs here on US. Why? Because we just swept out liquidity, London lows, in a higher time for trend. We did take one of our draws. Yo, a little bit too much. Whatever. Fix it later. But as I was saying, this should be our main draw ideally. Relative equal highs up there. We did sweep out some highs along the way. A little intermediate high and this 30-minute high. The fact that NQ hasn't took it yet, that's very concerning for a bullish narrative. I'm just gonna sit on my hands and knees and wait, because I'm not jumping in longs after we just took a high, and I'm not jumping in shorts after just sweeping a key low. We have draws in both directions. I'm gonna pull up my little checklist here real quick. Yeah, right now I'm just really in between. What do I favor more? I mean, I'm trying to look in terms of realistic on Yes, and these lows are more realistic on NQ. The fact that we didn't take London eyes, I think this is a driving factor. This bearish SMT. Gosh, my hair is so long. Yeah, this bearish SMT we have here is a driving factor. Let me just see. Okay, well, that's crazy. Real NQ took the highs, so I guess that's not a driving factor for me then. This shit's not valid at all, bro. I mean, oh. Did we invert that 1 minute? Well, we filled this 1 minute. I think it's more about if Naz wants to inverse or no. That's wild, bro. I should just be on regular fucking Naz and whatever. Because if they're not gonna fucking take the highs at the same time and whatever, why am I on micros? And also, like, if we were to mark out a position, it's always over 10 lots, right? Yeah. Fees are lower. Okay, dude, I think we're gonna come up and do it here. Fill the 1 minute gap to the downside, inverse it on Naz, then we're gonna change order flow back to the upside. Hammer on ES towards these relative equal highs. 58, 800 over 58. 14. I feel like this is so early, dude. Just gonna wait. I don't really like it too much. I mean, I like it, but I don't know, man. Something about the setup just being at 941, happening to sweep out these highs. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. This isn't like a proper retrace, you know? Just because we never like broke or inversed the gap to the downside. I always do that shit to myself. I'm just not confident in this. I'll let price give me a better entry here. Hopefully we break to the downside. That would be ideal. And the fact that like what, dude? We priced in a low. Oh, it's just here, but like I don't know why I'm on micros, dude. I need to go to minis. I feel like that could also be fucking with me. I want a proper 5 minute retrace, dude. Just the fact that we're right at drawing liquidity is so fucking sketchy to take longs higher after taking out a draw. Because realistically, this inverse could just be inverse to go lower again, you know? We are in a high time frame bullish trend now. I don't know, we'll have to see, bro. I want more confirmation that we're gonna go higher through these draws. Might fucking ruin the risk reward. Might not get a fucking trade at all. Just want more, dude. I wouldn't say that's an A+ setup that we missed here. Let's see what Tyler's doing.
We're gonna get big FOMO. If I miss it, I miss it, man.
Oh, same thing.
Alright, so Nasdaq took out these highs that I wanted. Damn, ES is ripping. I'm having FOMO. I'm having FOMO. We'll see if I can get a re-entry. If not, then it'll probably just be no trade day. But that was the signal for me to long. I don't know. I didn't like it for whatever reason. It was a no news Monday. I wasn't feeling it. I want to see like a 1 minute low get swept, or maybe even like a 1 minute break of structure.
Dude, same exact fucking thought
we'll
process.
get that. Especially on ES. ES is looking like it's gonna.
That's so valid, bro. I mean, yeah, bro, about to take the highs. But the fact that I had the same exact thought process, same exact like, yeah, dude, I want to wait for break to the downside, which honestly, dude, he says he doesn't think we'll get it. I think we will, because this is not a sufficient retrace, and I think price would want to rebalance like an equilibrium range. Like inverting that one right there, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see. If we come in this 1 minute gap and then reject out of this shit strong, yeah, it's fucking wraps. If we invert it, beautiful, beautiful queen.
We're back in Puerto Rico. We're streaming for literally every single day of July.
We are pushing lower on NAS.
Alright. Want to like sweep these lows or something.
Alright, we're rejecting out of this 1 minute. Gotta turn off the stream so he doesn't fucking distract me from what I want to do. Fuck. Fucking A. There we go. Much better. Much better. Everything's better when you get Febreze. You want to long on MQ? I don't see a reason to long on MQ. ES is obviously the more bullish index here. Let's break structure to the downside with this low right here. You're giving me such sweet loving. Smacking them lips. Alright, I got pee, dude. Let's break on this. It's gonna be hot as a motherfucker today. Alright, boys, let's close below that low. Nas has to close below it as well, though. Although if Nas doesn't, and we create a 1 minute SMT and then break back to the upside on ES. Okay, but we are ripping down. Holy shit, we're ripping down. See, this is like exactly why I didn't want to take that trade. Cause like, we could very well flip bearish here. We did break 1 minute structure. Hopefully we leave a 1 minute gap here and then banger, dude. Hammer longs. Such a piss poor RR though. We are rotating higher out of this 1 minute gap. We're rotating higher off of this 1 minute low. Is there any other high time frame draws? No. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we left a 1 minute gap. So what is this? 42? Fuck. It's just gonna ruin. Oh, you gotta be kidding. And we could set stops at the body. 32, 800 over 32 should be like 25. Yeah. Where's NQ at? Dude, I don't like how tight stops would be here, dude. I hate how tight stops would be here. Shouldn't revisit it though. Gonna hammer it in. Alright, hopefully rotate higher here. What's going on, dude? What the fuck? Glitch in the matrix there. I mean, we broke to the downside and we got an inverse back to the upside. We should just rotate higher here. We got our 5 minute retrace poked into the EQ. I mean, Naz is fucking bull running and ES doesn't want to. Okay, this 1 minute gap. Let's rotate higher out of it, please. Let's close above these highs, that would be ideal. We also broke 1 minute structure on this candle. This wouldn't be an SMT off this 1 minute high either. We're well into this 1 minute gap here. Can we please go higher, dude? Oh, I'm gonna yak, bro. Price is just never delivering, bro. Like, oh my god, it's looking toast. Oh my god, it's toast. I'm gonna lose another fucking day, dude. Holy shit. Boys, I have lost so many days in a row. How do we not rotate? How do we not rotate higher there, bro? I'm so confused. We inverted the 1 minute back to the downside. How? How? We take this one. I hope we take this 1 minute low, please. Oh my days. Like, how is that even possible, dude?
For me on that, saying this clicks, nah.
He trade. He did.
ES showing no love. What the fuck was that? Market gives us another opportunity. I kind of doubt it. We're about to break 5 minute structure to the downside. Should have stick to the bias. I mean, bro, we broke structure to the upside, 5 minute retrace into this, and then extended higher. Same exact thing happened here.
At least he lost too, but bro, I'm on the fucking losing streak so bad, nigga. I don't even care, bro. This is so aggravating, bro. Can't get one winning day on this shit, bro.
That's what happened today.
How? We literally, I waited extra, dude. I waited for extra, and we gave the
Market's
fucking
just reversing. Crazy.
confirmation, dude. There's no way.
We'll have to see what happens. Cause it's still 9:56.
Gotta
Follow the
hop off
strategy.
here, dude.
Bro.
Another fucking losing day, boys. I'm so gassed. Alright, boys, I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.